Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The claim that a 2026 Honda RV will be the most luxurious ride ever built raises an intriguing possibility as, although being a titan in the production of power equipment and automobiles, Honda is not usually linked to the ultra-luxury motorhome market. This idea necessitates a shift from Honda's conventional image of dependability and pragmatism to one of custom craftsmanship and unmatched comfort. The outside of this fictitious 2026 Honda Motorhome would need to revolutionize mobile aesthetics in order to live up to such a big designation. It would probably have a sleek, modern design that goes beyond the functional shapes of existing RVs. It might even incorporate aspects of Honda's most recent car designing, but it would be scaled up and improved for a luxury car. For both fuel economy and the illusion of effortless motion, aerodynamic efficiency would be crucial. Its performance and classy appearance would be enhanced by the use of premium, lightweight composite materials, possibly with delicate, tasteful finishes. The grandeur of the interior may be hinted at by distinctive lighting signatures and possibly even incorporated, retractable architectural components. The most luxurious ride ever built would instantly transport passengers to a world of unparalleled comfort and state-of-the-art technology. Clean lines, high-quality materials, and painstaking attention to detail would define the interior design, which would be a monument to minimalist beauty. Imagine every surface adorned with the best Italian leathers, exotic wood veneers that have been hand-finished, and accents of polished metal. The design would be incredibly roomy and designed to optimize both individual and group life. This might feature a large living space, a gourmet kitchen that is up to date and equipped with top-notch appliances, a luxurious master suite with a spa-like bathroom, and possibly more private spaces for visitors or employees. Every element of the living space would be intuitively controlled by the perfectly integrated technology. An comprehensive entertainment system with multi-zone audio and high-definition displays would meet all of your leisure needs, while a smart climate control system would guarantee ideal ambient conditions. Strong satellite internet and smart home automation capabilities that let residents easily control appliances, lights, and security would be crucial for connectivity. There would also be plenty of well-thought-out storage options and possibly even a small, highly effective laundry system, making it a practical luxury. Honda's engineering expertise would be on display beneath this moving castle. The chassis, which would probably have a cutting-edge adaptive suspension system to glide over a variety of terrains, would be specially constructed for outstanding ride comfort, stability, and handling. The powertrain would emphasize robust performance and quiet, smooth operation. It might be a high-output hybrid or perhaps a new fuel cell electric system, which would be in line with Honda's dedication to environmental responsibility and innovation. Far beyond what is currently possible, advanced driver assistance systems would make driving less stressful and enable the driver to be a true operator of this opulent vessel. In the end, if the 2026 Honda Motorhome is the most luxurious ride ever built, it would be a radical reimagining of mobile living, pushing the limits of luxury, design, and technology integration to previously unheard of levels in the RV sector.